In this video, I will show you how to use the annotation tool on Schoology. The Annotations tool will allow you to type and free write using your mouse or mousepad right on your worksheet. Let's get started. First, click on the assignment you want to attempt. Then, open your worksheet by clicking on Start Assignment on the right. On the top, you will see the toolbar. Let's go over some of the basic options on your toolbar. You can click on the plus to zoom in or the minus to zoom out. When you zoom in a lot, you will want to use the pan tool, the hand, to move down or across your worksheet like this. You simply click and hold your mouse and drag. Now let's start on our work. You can click on the pen to draw on your worksheet freehand. You can circle or you can draw numbers and letters, but it can be difficult to draw out all your answers. So in that case, you want to type on your worksheet. To type on your worksheet, make sure you have selected Type and not Draw. Now click on the T for Free Text. Then go to the space on your worksheet where you want to type. Click and your text box will appear. When it's highlighted, you can type. Then I type. If it's not exactly where you want it to be on the worksheet, don't worry, you can move it after you type. Moving your answer can be a little tricky. Hover your mouse over the answer, click once, then hover again until you get that plus sign. When you see the plus sign, click down on your mouse, hold, and drag. That's where I want it. You can edit your answer by clicking on your answer, then click in the box until you get that blinking cursor. And now I can retype my answer. If you've made a mistake and you want to change your answer, select the eraser over here on the right. Go to your previous answer, click, and drag the eraser over the choice. And then let go and it disappears. Oh, I missed a spot. I'm going to click, drag it over, and erase. That's it, erased. Your work saves automatically. If you have only partially completed your assignment and you got to do something else, you can click back and then come back to finish later. When you return, click Edit Draft. Edit Drafts means you started your work. It's saved, but it isn't turned in yet. See, here it is. Here's where we left off. Now you can finish your assignment. Once you're done, click Submit to send it to your teacher. What's great is you can also edit it once you have already submitted it. Just simply click Resubmit Assignment. It will open your assignment, and this will be a second submission that goes to your teacher. Your teacher will see both assignments that you submitted. And on the bottom, you can even click to see your previous submission. That's it.